If you're a pool owner looking to extend your swimming season and reduce energy costs, a DIY solar pool heater can be a fantastic solution. These heaters harness the power of the sun to raise the temperature of your pool water, providing a more comfortable and enjoyable swimming experience. In this video, we'll be exploring a selection of the top 3 DIY solar pool heaters available on the market. We'll discuss their design, installation process, efficiency, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision when choosing the perfect heater for your pool. To learn more about the featured DIY solar pool heaters and where to purchase them, be sure to check the links in the description box. Now, let's dive in. SUNQUEST Solar Pool Heater. The SUNQUEST Solar Pool Heater is designed to provide extended swimming seasons by harnessing the power of the sun to heat your pool water. Enjoy your pool for an extended season with this solar heater, which raises water temperature by 1 degree Fahrenheit when properly sized and installed. Keep the heat in with a liquid solar blanket or cover for optimal results. This solar pool heater is known for its durability, reliability, and superior performance. Rest assured, it is top-notch materials and cutting-edge technology ensure dependable and enduring performance. The MaxFlow design features 2-inch OD headers, promoting better water circulation and reducing back pressure on your existing pump and filter, requiring a minimum of 3/4 horsepower. It offers exceptional value, providing professional-grade panels at a fraction of the cost. You can enjoy the same or even better quality without spending thousands of dollars. Installation is made easy with full panel systems available to suit your needs, and they come with everything necessary to connect to your existing pool hoses. XTREMEPOWER US Solar Pool Heater. The XTREMEPOWER US Solar Pool Heater is an efficient and affordable solution for heating your above-ground pool using the power of the sun. Designed with durability in mind, this pool heater is made from high-quality materials that can withstand constant exposure to the sun and outdoor elements. Using a simple and effective mechanism, the pool pump pushes water through the panel's tubes, where it absorbs heat from the sun's rays. The heated water is then returned to the pool, effectively raising the water temperature by 6 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. By utilizing this solar heating system, you can extend your pool season by several weeks, allowing for more enjoyable swimming throughout the year. Installing this heater is hassle-free, thanks to its compatibility with standard fittings used in most above-ground pools. The adjustable and foldable legs ensure optimal sun exposure, while the clear cover helps to trap and retain heat within the system. It offers a 40% increase in heating capacity per cycle, providing even greater warmth for your pool. Solar Pool Supply Solar Pool Heater. The Solar Pool Supply Solar Pool Heater is a high-quality and reliable solution for heating your pool using the power of the sun. This product has undergone rigorous testing and certification by NSF, ensuring its good quality and performance. The panels of this solar pool heater are specially designed with zipper seams that maximize heat absorption while minimizing heat loss. This innovative design allows for flexible installation options while effectively retaining the captured heat. The panels are constructed using a special melt blending technique with additives, making them highly durable and capable of withstanding harsh rooftop conditions for 15 to 20 years. With the user-friendly DIY kit, installation becomes a breeze, as it comes equipped with premium components designed for peak performance and long-lasting dependability. The system boasts leak-free connections, thanks to its heavy-duty CPVC pipe connectors that provide a secure and reliable seal. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the best DIY solar pool heaters. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the top options available to extend your swimming season and reduce energy costs using the power of the sun. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out to us. We value your feedback and are here to help.